In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table from ChatGPT to Excel. If you've ever asked ChatGPT for a table and want to use that data in Excel, the process is straightforward. Start by locating the table in your ChatGPT conversation. Move your cursor to the very beginning of the table, ideally at the first header cell, then click and drag across the entire table until everything you need is highlighted. Make sure you include the headers if you want them in Excel, and avoid grabbing any extra text above or below the table. A clean selection helps Excel place everything exactly where it belongs. Once the table is highlighted, copy it. You can right-click and choose Copy, or use your keyboard shortcut. Then switch over to your Open Excel workbook. Click into the cell where you want the top left corner of the table to appear. It's best to choose an empty area so you don't overwrite anything important. Now, paste. Excel will usually recognize the tabular structure and place each column and row correctly, preserving the headers and alignment. Take a quick look after pasting to confirm the data landed as expected. Check that each column is separate, numbers look like numbers, and text hasn't merged into a single cell. If it looks right, you're done. You can now sort, filter, or format the table just as you would with any data in Excel. If, for some reason, the paste doesn't behave the way you expect, maybe the data comes in as a single block, or the alignment isn't clean, there's a simple fix. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to make the table for Excel. In other words, tell it to present the data clearly as a table suitable for Excel. ChatGPT will regenerate the same information in a way that's optimized for copying. When you see that version, highlight the table again from the first header to the last row, copy it, return to Excel, click your starting cell, and paste. This approach usually clears up any formatting hiccups and gives you a neatly structured table right away. That's really all there is to it. Highlight the table in ChatGPT, copy it, paste it into Excel, and if it doesn't paste cleanly, ask ChatGPT to make it in Excel and try again. With this simple workflow, you can move data from your chat into a spreadsheet in seconds and get back to analyzing, charting, or sharing your results without any extra hassle.